everybody, Hiroko here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Japanese questions. The question for this lesson is, what's the difference between CHIGAU and MACHIGAU? Both CHIGAU and MACHIGAU are related to making a mistake, so how do you know which one to use? CHIGAU is used when two things don't correspond or match or the information is incorrect. The basic way you can remember it is A does not equal B. For example, if you have the wrong telephone number, as in it's simply different from the correct one, you would say 電話番号が違う. However, if you accidentally misdialed that number, you would say 電話番号を間違えた using 間違う. This is because 間違う means that someone does something wrong or makes a mistake instead of something just being incorrect. Let's go through some examples so you can learn how to use 違う and 間違う correctly. First, let's do an example with 違う. 山田さんですか? いいえ、違います. Are you Mr. or Miss Yamada? No, I'm not. This is a typical usage of 違う. In this case, no, I'm not would more directly translate as no, you're mistaken. Person A simply has the wrong information about who person B is. Now let's do an example with 間違う. 塩と砂糖を間違うと大変だ. In this case, we're talking about the potential of someone actually mistaking salt for sugar. Let's do one more example. あなたの考えは間違っているよ. Your thinking is incorrect, which is equivalent to you're wrong. While 間違う focuses on the act of making mistakes, using it in the form of 間違っている can also be used to highlight that something is wrong, incorrect, or unjust. Remember that while 違う and 間違う may be similar in the fact that they both involve mistakes, they both come from different views. 間違う is about the mistake being made and 違う is about incorrect information. How was this lesson? Pretty interesting, right? Make sure to go to JapaneseSpot101.com for more practice. Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer them. またね! See you!